Good morning, Gators.
This is the Gator News Network.
My name is Miriam Smith.
And my name is Chow.
Today is Monday, September 13th, Peanut Day.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated. We will now begin our moment of silence.
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
It's lunchtime.
Hey, what's for lunch?
Have a great day, Gators,
And have a magnificent Monday.
Stay tuned for the Dose of Dittfurth.
And go,
Go
Gators.
Gators.
Hello, my name is Alex, and this is your morning dose of Dittfurth. Today's story is about a young boy named Orion Jean. He is on a mission to share the gift of reading. While he is only 10, he has already helped hundreds of thousands of people see the joy in reading. While he shares his love for literacy with the world, he also helps in charity events such as food drives. He says, "It's all about my moral duty to help people. It's my responsibility to be able to see these people who need my help and knowing that I have the resources to help them." What a passion for a 10-year-old kid. That is it for today's Dose of Dittfurth. Have a nice day, Gators.